Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Nike gift card online. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorials like this. To redeem Nike gift card online, first open any web browser. Now on the search bar, type www.nike.com, then tap on enter. With this, you'll be guided to Nike's website. Now here you can scroll down and click on shop option. Then here you can see various of products. You can also search for products by tapping on the search icon at top. Or you can go back and click on any of the product you want to purchase. Now after picking the product you want to purchase, you can see the product information. Now choose the product that suits you the best. With that, click on Add to Bag. Now after clicking on Add to Bag, click on Checkout. Now here you need to add all the information mentioned above. First you need to enter the delivery options. First enter your first name, then enter your last name, then enter your address. You can automatically have the address if you enter the correct address. Now enter your email address, then enter the phone number. With this, click on Save and Continue. Then select the shipping speed. With that, click on Continue to Payment. Now here on the first, you can see the option of do you have a gift card, product voucher or promo code. Click on the given box. Now check your physical or e-gift card that you have and enter the voucher number. You may use up to 10 gift cards on a single order. After entering your voucher number, you can see the PIN box. Tap on PIN box and enter the PIN code. With this, click on Apply. Then you'll be successfully able to redeem Nike gift card online. If you have a gift card, you can use it for whatever product you want to buy on Nike's website. This is how we can redeem Nike gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.